Yo, what is going on? It is Monday, May 4th, 6:13 p.m. No trades today. I think this was one of the shittiest NYAMs that I have ever seen. Let's get into today. Also, here's what I did today. Started taking like notes. I'll read off my notes. So like, because I kind of like in the exact moment. So let's put these up here on this screen and then dabble into it. So coming into the day, I had a bullish bias. We had London high and all-time high above as well as midnight open. I wanted to see this get fucking murked. We also seen that the 15-minute... Why are we so far from everything? Come on. We could also see that the 15-minute dumped off, but put in this internal SMT with this daily fair value gap, which was also previous day low, and immediately started sprinting up. So that to me is bullish indication. The best draw on liquidity left is showing bullish indication. All-time high bullish indication. So I'm going to be bullish. So right at open, we leave a nice little 930 wick, which I would have loved to had internally SMT'd here and then get a trade up. We did leave a 30-second in here. After we were consolidating a bit. Like we had left this, but then the displacement's not there. There's no SMT. We're not reacting off a gap. So there's no reasoning behind it except the inverse. Like I put this in this. Was thinking longs to 930 wick buy, because buy side liquidity above is there. So just the draw on liquidity was there, but it's only just an inverse with draw on liquidity. There's nothing else. Then we did ultimately take this 930 wick without an entry. We had this 30-second long right here to this 15-minute, but again, no SMT. We had like a respective like this 30-second. Was this even a 1 minute? Nah. We we had nothing. So the 30-second fails. Reswept, I know that. So we get the resweep. Boom. Then we get the resweep of the resweep, which then creates this SMT, which this was ultimately the one that delivered. I don't know. I just wasn't liking the way price was maneuvering. I hate it when it here. It should have delivered here. It should have delivered immediately here. Okay, we're getting inverse, right? A low retracement inverse. It should have delivered there. Okay, we get the resweep with another inverse basically. It should have delivered there. It shouldn't take this long for it to deliver. I think that this would have been a pretty solid trade. Ultimately for me, I know myself, I would have went break even right here. Give the trade a little bit of room to breathe, and it would have played out. Not something I see myself really taking. Then we just basically chopped around. And then again, there was this 1 minute. This 15-minute FVG got tapped. We had this 1 minute right here, but why did I fade it? I was just bullish as fuck. We had all of this above. I was bullish. I didn't want to see shorts. Unless it was to equal lows, I didn't want to see shorts. Let's see what else I said. Again, there was this, see this 1 minute was right here, right? We had this 1 minute to these equal lows right here. Right? I don't know. There's just, we had the internal SMT. We had essentially like an external SMT because it was with midnight open. But again, just hated the delivery. There's no displacement. Better stated. And then, right, there's a 30-second gap lower, which is the one I would have taken the most premium one. If it did this, I'm taking it. Right? So I had said this in my shit. This equal low setup has me thinking, but I'm just not a big fan of the way price is moving at the moment. Very uncertain. Unless a Drake candle, I don't see myself taking anything. This is displacement, bro. This right here is a strong displacing candle. Had we inversed it with this next candle, I'm down for it. Or even if we respected it here and then inversed it after respecting this 30-second fair value gap, I'm taking this. We didn't. We trended back up. And then I saw this setup, which I was also thinking about taking, just because we broke out of this consolidation failure to deliver range and started immediately pumping up where we had this above, this above, this above, right? Now, granted, were we SMT'd with it? No, London. Okay, we weren't even SMT'd with it anymore, right? We had a beautiful 1 minute right here. It closed at the same time as the 30-second did, so I would have just taken the 1 minute. Okay, perfect. Okay, we failed to get it. Cool. I love this rejection out of this. We create that internal SMT. I'm loving it. We have equal highs above. This is going to be my break even. Cool, right? Got off. Just got off. right at the entry. So that was higher day, and that was it. I think it was a pretty shitty NY session. There wasn't much in here for me to even trade, as you can see. So yeah, just got off. Also, if I bitch out of a trade, I will be having to run 1.5 miles. It will be all tallied up at the end of the week. I don't think I bitched out of anything today. There was not anything today. Better stated, I didn't trade like a bitch at all today. So yeah, just ready for tomorrow. Let's see what news we actually have tomorrow. Have some red folder. Beautiful, beautiful. Rest of the week is looking decent as far as news. So let's get it. Catch you tomorrow. Peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, 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 very good. Very, 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 very good. Very good. Very good.